Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much for inviting me to this August gathering of Vice Chancellors from across Punjab. This is an important session. I think the topic is very, very important. It's also something that is very near and dear to my heart because I always talk about research excellence, teaching excellence. Innovation is obviously something that I have talked a lot about. Both while I was in the government, but also outside the government. मैं पिछले 9 साल से we run a program in Pakistan for high school students. And we take high school students from all across the country and we take them to Pakistan's leading universities and get them to spend 8 to 10 days working with a university professor solving a real world problem. And often these 10 days are life-changing experience for some of these students. We have now graduated over 500 students from that program and some of them have gone to the leading universities around the world. Us program mein, apart from the technical, we also try to mentor them, nurture them, give them some of the values that people were talking about. जैसे अभी former chairman PEC ने कहा कि जी हमें किसी ने नहीं बताया था कि पैशन भी कोई चीज़ होती है, एक्सीलेंस भी कोई चीज़ होती है. तो मैं उस प्रोग्राम में अक्सर एक्सीलेंस को जिस तरह डिफाइन करता हूँ, I'm going to start with that and then I'm going to hand over to my panelists to talk about how they think about excellence, particularly in the context of research and teaching. So the way I define excellence for these young students, normally 15 to 18-year-olds, is कि हम लोग normally अपनी ज़िंदगी अगर आप 80-20 rule apply करें तो we spend most of our lives applying 20% of our energies to achieve 80% of the results. And most of us, probably 80% of us, only spend all our lives spending 20% of our energy and intellect and power to get 80% of the results. And for most things, 80% of the results are good enough. लेकिन I always tell these students कि अपनी ज़िंदगी में किसी एक दफ़ा किसी एक चीज़ में excellence achieve करने की कोशिश ज़रूर करो. और वो excellence क्या होती है? वो rest of the 20% of the results है. Right? और उस rest of the 20% of the results को achieve करने के लिए आपको 80% additional energy, intellect, capacity अपने अंदर से generate करनी पड़ती है. और जब आप 80% additional capacity generate करते हैं और वो extra 20% results achieve करते हैं, and if you do that once and you do that twice, then I tell these young kids that you become superheroes, because then you know how to get that additional energy, power, intellect that is inside of all of us, but most of us never use it. So achieving that excellence teaches you something in life. It teaches you that you have infinite powers and infinite capacities inside you, and it's just a matter of learning how to harness that power from inside you. So in my view, again, a very simplistic sort of a definition, but my view, achieving excellence is achieving those additional 20% that most of us never try, and it's the hardest to achieve. And I try to tell कि कोई भी चीज़ हो, चाहे तुम academics में ना करो, you could be a great singer, you could be a great whatever, but try to achieve excellence in something in life so that you at least know what is inside you. What God has gifted you and you are able to drive that. Unfortunately, हम एक ऐसे मुल्क में रहते हैं जहाँ पे excellence achieve करने पे ज़्यादा जोर नहीं दिया जाता. हमारे यहाँ किसी बिल्डिंग में, किसी रिसर्च सेंटर में पहली ईंट लगने से पहले ही हम सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस बन चुके होते हैं. राइट? मेरी नज़र में सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस जो है वो अचीव किया जाता है, वो पहले से नहीं बनाया जा सकता. आप पहले दिन एक बिल्डिंग में एक ईंट लगाएं और कहें ये सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस है, तो दिस इज़ अ नॉन स्टॉप फॉर मी. राइट? सो I think it's really important for us to talk about and understand what excellence really mean in the context of higher education. Does excellence comes from achieving these university rankings? What do they mean? Does excellence come from being more selective about who we hire and what kind of students we recruit? And that's a conversation that we need to have if we really want to develop universities that try to aspire for excellence. So I would now hand over to my panelists. Maybe we'll start from General Asghar Saab. I think I would really like you to, if you can talk a little bit about what you think is excellence in the context of research, teaching and innovation.